What's up, y'all? Today we're going to be installing our Yost Vise, our F9WW. So here we go. First thing we're going to do is we're going to replace the front lap, and then we're going to be taking off this top board.
So we want to go to an 8-inch piece on the front board here, so we actually get a little bit more support on the vise. So that's what we're going to do.
Now they do come with a little Carter pin in there, so we're going to have to take that out. So we're going to cut our board down to length for the front lap. First time using my new miter saw table that I built. Alright, so we got our front board cut. We'll install this in a second. Now I just took off the front board here, and I already had marked it underneath with the fascia board on there. So I got a line on here. Now I want this to sit pretty much flush on there. Gotta cut this piece down just a little bit. So now that'll clear there. Now I'm gonna put this on here so that way I have a little bit more clearance and the vise will be a little bit lower. Now I'm going to want to make sure that this is square, or at least on my line. Now when we go to install this, we want to make sure that this is the same distance away on both sides, nice and square. And we want to do that to make sure that we're not binding anything. Then we install our vise. Now I had grabbed some lag bolts, but I grabbed the wrong one, so now we'll just put this back on for right now. Alright, y'all, so this is what it should look like from underneath. Now I figure if I just go and mark these guys out. Should give you a pretty good idea of where this is getting drilled. Alright, so it's really rough, but there's got to be a better way to do this. But this is how I'm doing it. See if it works out. Alright, so we're just going to take this off real quick.
So you're going to want to use a 7/8 spade bit on the outer holes, and on the inner hole we're going to use a 1 1/4 inch to make sure we got plenty of clearance.
Alright, so from this point, what I can do is get my piece of wood here, put it about center. Now you want to leave a lip over the top, because we'll come back through and plane this flat once we get the plane. That looks about right. Now I'll leave a little bit more on the left, because I'll do vertical boards on this side. over right quick. Let's do a little dry run. Here. All right, we're vicing. So let me just drill these holes out right quick. All right, let's see if we did it right. So load that onto there. There's probably better screws you can use. I'm gonna get some lag screws for this, some little inch long. But for now, that'll do. All right, so I just cut down a handle from a broom, old broom, and it's working pretty good. All right, so this is the back side. As you see, the way we laid it out actually made it real simple for everything to line up, including the front place. So yeah, this is how I'd recommend you do it if you're getting the F9WW. All right, y'all, so we got the FW99 Yost Vise installed. It honestly only took us about 30 minutes to get it in there. Now, if you got the FW10 or F10WW, you'd have a little bit more work ahead of you. It is a little bit bulkier and bigger. I kind of wanted that one, but we'll see how this one works. So I'll give you guys an honest review once I've used it for a while. All I did was cut down a broomstick and slide this in. I will be putting some dowels in here later on, just so that way it doesn't move, but it's pretty snug in there. And it's really easy to operate. Now this is a 9-inch vise, so we'll be able to do all kinds of good stuff with this. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe. I'll be doing some more how-to videos and just some general woodworking. Join me on my adventure of learning how to do this stuff.